Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag the zip to another way, and by this while we can see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you wanna create it by another way, just hold for a while the application, tap to select a couple of applications and click create a folder. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to give a name or rename the app, just rename the folder, just enter the name, click to done, and that's it. To just add more applications to the folder, you should click to this plus icon, and by this way just select them, tap to done. Also, we can change here the background of this folder, click to done. As you can see, that's so simple. To move folders on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold the folder and drag it to the left or to the right side of the home screen. And to remove the application from here, hold it and tap the remove icon. But if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, hold it and drag it to the home screen. Also, we can just hold the application, select a couple of them, create a new folder or remove them, or just to remove all of the applications with a folder by click to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.